Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty easy, simple blend, and I've already drawn out my path. I'm going to draw at a rectangle, and I'm only going to make it like a half inch big because I made the other one so large that it didn't really blend very good. So now I set my nudge factor on a half an inch. Let me zoom in here, and I'm going to hit the plus key and then hit Control D, Control D. I need 5 of them. I've got that one selected. I'm going to select that one and that one, turn them red. And then I want white, so I'm going to select that, holding down the shift key. And I want those white, of course, you can't really see it. Now I'm going to go and take the outline apart away, and I'm going to group that. And if we look real quick, we have red and white blocks. I guess I made a copy of it. So, so what okay, I didn't group it together, evidently. Let's make sure that, yep. Now I'm going to make a duplicate of that and just move it over. You don't have to, but I always make them even, so I hit T. Now I'm going to blend them like 500 times. And you get that. Then go over here and blend along new path. And then blend along full path. And you get that right there. And see, at 500 times, it's a little jaggy. So let's back up here. I was thinking because I made it smaller, it'd be a little smoother. I'm going to go $9.99, which is I think the most Corel will let you do. And then go along new path. We'll see if it makes any difference. And then blend along full path. Now you're still going to have you're still going to have some jagged edges just because of the blend. But we still need to go to object and break the blend apart because inside there is our red line. And we don't want the red line. There it is right there. So there's actually the two ends, and I can just move this out of the way and then group that back together. And then when you doesn't really show up, let's put a blue box around it. Object order back a page. And you can see the white. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.